Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write long articles with Copy.ai. So step 1, you have to go to Copy.ai. You can visit www.copy.ai, log in, and then create an account here. So basically, even if you tap on login, you should see the sign up option below like this. So if you don't have an account yet, tap on sign up. Basically, you can add your first name, last name, email, or you can just continue with Google and continue with Microsoft. Everything is up to you. For me, the easiest way to create Copy AI account is to tap on continue with Google. Tap this one. So you can just answer everything here, like what kind of work do you do? So choose from any of this, and you can also skip survey if you want and just go directly to your Copy AI's interface. So this is your Copy AI's dashboard. And what you're going to do here to start creating a long article is just tap on this create new right here and then click chat. So you have to wait as it's now creating chat, and this is where you will talk directly to the AI assistant for long-term content creation. So you have option real-time search, long-form content. You can tap this, brainstorm ideas, which can generate 10 Instagram captions for Fashion Week, or everything is up to you. But you can also go to the search icon right here, and then this is where you're going to add a command or prompt. So you have to give a clear, detailed prompt right here that explains the article you want. So here's an example. You can copy this one. So since we're talking about a long article, so you can add 2,000 word, 3,000 word, everything is up to you. But as you can see, I'm just using the basic version of Copy AI. So I only have 2,000 words for free. If I want, or if you want to upgrade your plan or use more words, then tap on upgrade your plan. So let's just try 1,000 right here, but actually if you're using the pro version, you can write a 2,000 word article, 3,000 word article, everything is up to you. Now what you're going to do is you can also include a prompt, for example, word count, okay, the tone, let's just say friendly, okay, friendly tone. So I have added here tone, target audience, and format, which is guide. And then once you're done, then you can basically press enter or tap this one right here and wait for a couple of seconds as Copy.ai generate the answer for you. So once you're done with this, then what you're going to do is press on the enter. Now Copy AI will generate a complete draft with headings and content, so you have to review it. You can also expand if you think that you are not satisfied with the result. As you can see, this is it. This is the result for the long article. You can try to add or tap add more. So if you're not satisfied, you can also add another prompt. For example, expand on section 2 with more scientific evidences. Add a real-life example to the intro. You can include FAQ section at the end. So for example, I want to add or include FAQs at the end, so I can add and tap this one right here. You can use follow-up prompts to deepen or improve any part. Everything is up to you. Now step 4 here, once you're done, then basically you can now press this one and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, so make sure again that you have blog title. Okay, you know your audience already, the tone is correct, key talking points or section, and as you can see, I have added here the FAQ section. So once you're okay with this, then all you have to do is to, basically copy this, select all, and then you can paste it on your Word. You can review, you can edit if you want, you can add more prompts right here, you can rephrase if you want to, and then post it on your blog site. So basically that's how easy it is to create a long article using Copy.ai. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.